Hi, my name is Kev Lavery, and today I'll be showing you how to manage the visibility of modules in the content area of your Connect unit. The scaffolding of a student's journey through learning materials is a massive part of teaching and learning and can have a big effect on a student's ability to understand and synthesize information and develop skills. Restricting or controlling the visibility of modules can help you sequence student learning in a way that's most advantageous to their processing of unit content. There are a few different ways that you can do this, and it all starts in the content area. Adding dates to content modules can be a useful way to help structure access to your learning material. When dates are applied to a module, students are able to see the module and its content topics, but can't open or view them until the start date has been reached. To add a date, select a module and then add dates and restrictions. I'm going to apply a start date to this topic. The due date does not control access, but it shows up under the module and can help students be more organised and help them prioritise activities or learning materials. If I choose to apply an end date, this will cut off access to the module and its content topics once the selected date has been reached. If I want to remove a date, the X next to the date will dismiss it. Once I'm happy, I'll select Update to apply these dates. Release conditions are another way to control the visibility of modules. With these, the module isn't made visible until a student has met a select set of criteria that you specify. Once they do, the additional content is made available to them. In this example, let's set a simple condition on the second module in our unit. This will make it invisible to students until they've completed the first assessment item. Once they're done, the second module will automatically become visible. To add a release condition, select Add Dates and Restrictions, and then under Release Conditions, select Create. Pick a condition type from the drop-down. There are many different criteria that you can set. In this example, we'll set this condition type to be a score on a quiz. We'll pick the quiz that we'd like to target and then set some criteria. I'm going to set it to equal to 100%. Selecting Create will add the release criteria. We can now see that a student has to achieve 100% on that quiz before the second module of the content will become available. An item can have a single criteria on it or multiple criteria. Experiment with these to see what works for you. If you're happy, select Update and this will apply the conditional release to this module. If you'd like to remove it, you can open up your restrictions again and select the X next to the criteria to dismiss it. Again, Update will apply this change to your module. Modules can also be set to draft, which makes them completely invisible to students. It can be really useful if you're not ready for a student to see certain materials just yet. Let's select a module from the list under Table of Contents. To set it to draft, select the Publish drop-down and then set it to draft. This module, along with all the topics within it, is now invisible to students. If you want to change it back, simply set it back to Publish and it'll be visible again. It's also important to know that if you have any content preloaded into your unit as part of Master Product, you should not set these modules to draft. Management of modules through dates and release conditions allows you to carefully structure your students' journey through the learning materials and assessment in your unit to ensure the most positive and valuable learning experience.